Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set on and off the Keytone on your Casio GM-2100. This is going to be the metallic Casioak, but this tutorial is going to work for all models that feature the 5611 module. So what you want to do in order to remove the beeping sound that you hear when you press the buttons is to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. You are going to arrive at the settings. You are also going to hear a small beep, and we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. I'm going to go past the setting of time and date, and then I'm going to arrive at the Keytone. So this is where we can see that the Keytone is on. I can press any of the 2 buttons on the right, so the light or the start button, in order to activate it or to mute it. If you want to leave it at mute, we are going to press the adjust button and the setting is going to be saved. If I press the mode button now, there is not going to be any sound, so I won't be able to hear that beeping sound. And if I want to activate it, I'm going to repeat the process once again. So press and hold the adjust button, use the mode button in order to toggle between the options. And when you arrive at the Keytone, we are going to press one of the 2 buttons in order to see the key here, and press the adjust button in order to save our setting. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to turn on and off the beeping sound on your Casio G-Shock GM-2100, also known as the metallic Casioak. Also guys, if you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I have a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out, because you will know how to do everything on your watch. So how to do all the basic settings, how to use the world time function, how to use the chronograph, and also how to set the alarms, as well as aligning the watch hands after a battery replacement or magnetism. Also guys, if you are new to the channel and enjoy videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch unboxing videos, make sure to be subscribed, because I'm pretty sure you are going to love it, and also it is going to help the channel guys. Subscribe, leave a comment, like, and I'm going to see you on the next video.